Can you guess how many steps from my new listing in Poipu to Poipu Beach? It's very close. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. One of the great things about owning a beach house in Kaloa or Poipu is that it's so walkable. So clients would tell me all the time how fun it is to be able to just step out. Look, you can see the ocean. Just step out and like quickly go to the beach. It's right there. This might be my favorite part of the Poipu Kaloa area. These couple of streets that are just right off between Poipu Beach and Breniki Beach. They're so quiet. Everything's so charming. If you're looking for a beach environment, it's really ideal. Here we are, 227 steps, and I'm right in between Breniki Beach, which is the best boogie boarding beach on the island, and Poipu Beach, which is great for snorkeling, swimming, surfing. It has been ranked the most beautiful beach in the world, or the #1 most beautiful beach in the world before. Sunsets from Poipu Beach, spectacular. And this is the Poipu Beach Park. So if you're coming down here, they have shaded or pavilions, covered pavilions with picnic benches, showers, and a jungle gym. It's a great place to spend a day, a week, a month, a year, or a life. This is a cute little house. And what I love about it is it is so close to Poipu Beach. So here we walk into the main dining room, kitchen, living room area. I love that it has these patio doors that disappear into the wall. You can pull them out and you can put them back in, right? So it's true indoor-outdoor living, right? You have an outdoor covered dining area, barbecue, little sitting area, your own surfboard. This is a door to the primary bathroom. It's just nice to, one of the great things about Kauai is the weather. And so it's nice to be able to be here and feel the weather. So you can all kind of be together, yet you have your individual spaces. So I would call this the primary bedroom. There's another door to the outside because of the bathroom size, right? I love the turtles and the swordfish and the dolphins. So here we go into the primary bathroom. You've got the built-in closet over there, and you have this mirrored closet as well. And I'm gonna be in the mirror, I guess, right? But you've got the dual sinks and a nice shower. Now this does have a vacation rental license, so it is a legal permitted vacation rental. They've done a lot of nice things. They've got a great rental history. Here's the dining area, the kitchen. Those of you who want to cook, it's great countertop space. They have everything you need, split systems. It does have AC. If you're going to be working on your vacation, they have an office space for you. Here's the second bedroom, right? So here we go. You've got everything you need. Once again, another bed, closet, and then here you've got your own pretty private lanai space right here, and a split system once again.
So that's great as well. And then one thing lots of renters want is they want to be able to do some laundry so they don't go home with lots of dirty clothes. And there you go, we have laundry. So not only is this a cute 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single family home, but I just love that it's true indoor-outdoor living, that you can be inside, you can feel the breeze because the wall basically disappears, or you can step outside and still be connected to the people in the living room. It's a great space. Very, very close to Poipu Beach. All right, if you have any questions, just call me.